Hello everybody, it's me Ivan again. So today I'm gonna show you how to make another Super Mario. It's like a Super Mario, but first of all we need to open the project. So now you should have these sprites, and so we're gonna start with the basic coding. And wait, why am I not doing scratch? Well, anyways, if you're finished, so let's start. First of all, if you're not if I'm if you're just not using the account the same account, it will happen to you. But if you're not looking at if you're not doing my account, if you don't find it, just search test, and then the first one should be it, the first project. And then, but now you can't just code inside or it's gonna save it. So you need I remixed it, you need to remix it, and now since now it's finished, let's get coding. First we need a win flag click as any. It's at the beginning of all games, it has to be. And it has to be in the beginning of all. And then we need to delete all of stack. But we need one of those. Go to the list area and then delete one of level. You need to type all, but see, you can't type it in there. So I guess sometimes for me, this is my way to get it. Just use a delete all of stack, because sometimes if you see other projects doing delete all of stack, you have that, delete all, this all. But there's another thing to do this, another way. Let me just show you. It's you type it somewhere else, and you can just paste it in here. Command C and Command V, or Control C or Control V. That's a so you have the stack. You have the exact same, but for me this is better. So now we need a broadcast and wait, and then that is set up transition. Sometimes you just get confused with the spelling. Just try to sound it out. Set up transitions. I'm not sure if I even spelled it right, but set level hash. And some of my variables are already made, so in the sets, some of the variables are already made, so most of the variables, so just in the sets is okay. Just go in the sets and it's finished. So now set level to 1. Of course, you don't want to be starting at level 3 unless you can change that when you finish the game if you're testing levels. For example, you can for example, when you're testing levels, if you're testing level 3, but you don't want to play level 1 and 2, so you can just set it to level 3. But you have to change everything too. But set editor to 0, set brush to 2 because it's a tile, set key jump to 0, set key crouch to 0, and then set tick to 0. Might be the bug tick. Set score save to 0. Okay, this is a lot of variables, but now we need to make our first custom block in just the first few code. This is the reset block. The reset, so we need to make a reset block. Reset, we're going to make blocks and my blocks, and just click make a block, and then reset. Then it's listed the label. So now we need to add a boolean. A boolean is you can put those some of the operators and the sensing items, and the other one that's shaped. and then we need to call that reload. Like this, sort of shape like anything. So no run without screen refresh. Remember, no run without screen refresh, and click OK. And then now we need to set, and we need to put reset here, and then we need to put a knot in there, but nothing in the knot. And then set proof to 0. Oh, proof, not proof. Then we need to broadcast another message, and that's set up backdrop 2. Set up backdrop 2 and wait. And then we need to broadcast another one called set up level clones. Set up level clones. And then we need another one called set up entities. So that's like the enemies, basically it means. And I'm not even sure if NT. Okay, I guess that's how I spelled, but I don't care if I spelled it wrong. So anyways, like so set up level clones, like I guess it means like the coins and all the other the gems and all sorts. And the set up entities means the other items that are moving. So now we need to go to front layer, go backward 1 layer, and then we need another broadcast. It's been annoying of too many broadcasts because there's lots of messages we need to do. Or if you have to, like, for example, yeah, the broadcast. And then remember, don't lose the reset reload. If you don't have scratch add-ons, like you can just search. But if you don't have scratch add-ons, please just try not to lose that reset block. Later we're gonna use it, or probably next episode or next episode after, because we're just going just a mixie code. So now we need another broadcast and wait. Set up particles. It's a new message. I mean, and then we need another setup border. Setup border, and then we need a hide variable score, like that. And then we need a hide variable time disk. Hide variable t disk. Now you just need if you like, you need to just change that to time disk. So now set size to 49. Not 469, but 49. Okay, then we need to repeat until timer. No, we need OR here too. Timer is greater than 5. The timer, like the sensing timer, the blue one, not the variable timer. Or key any pressed. Key any pressed. And then wait 0 seconds. Wait 0 seconds. And now we need to broadcast. Like this is this is not. It's just we need to just broadcast transition splash to back. So we just need to broadcast and wait. A new message called transition splash and to black. Press OK, and then we need another repeat until until repeat. And then we need if level hash is greater than 3, level hash. If level hash is greater than repeat until. And then we need to reset not again. And then below we need another repeat until. Might as well duplicate from here. Inside that repeat until. And then it should be PI and V. It's like the capital I looks like a L, so don't get that mixed up if you're searching like this. And then equals a capital win. And then set rotation style to left to right. Point in direction 90. And then set P state to 0. And then set PSX to 0. Set PSY to 4. Set PI and V to tick plus 45. And then we need to make a new custom block called game loop. This is gonna control like the game loop, like the whole game is the loop that is gonna run. So the game loop, we need to make a block, and that's called game loop, like that. And no run without screen refresh. And then the game loop. So the game loop is like it just handles the game loop. And a game loop, and then if not equals PI and V, not PI and V equals win, all capitalized. And then we need to reset without a not. And then below, we will need a win block. It's like, don't think it's in any of the categories. We need to make it in a my blocks win. Okay, the win is not run without screen refresh. So just be warned. So put the win after, like in the repeat until level is greater than 3, but not in the repeat until PI and V equals win. Just scroll up a bit and you'll see. And then it's a if level is less than, level hash is less than 3. Set PI and V to empty, to a blank, like nothing, not even a single space, or it's gonna go error. So just get warned, just delete everything inside. And then set score save to score. And then broadcast a new message. And broadcast is transition die. Transition die. So that should be transition die. So that like I guess in charge is your die. And change. Then we need outside the if level hash is less than 3 is a change level hash by 1. And then we need a broadcast. We need a regular broadcast this time. Transition win. Transition win. Like that. So now you're finished this huge script that is about, that is about 62 blocks because we can't include these 3 outside blocks. 65 blocks long. So since we finished that, this huge script mainly gets in charge of the whole game, like the starting of the whole game. It might be a so big script that you can't ever imagine it, but okay, next script we need to do for the game loop. Just go grab the game loop block keys, the block, and then we need a new custom block called tick. No run without screen refresh, remember again. Okay, this might be a weird appearance. So now we need to put tick under the game loop 3 times. Okay, just to warn you something. Look, repeat 3 times tick is, just don't do it, because who knows who's gonna happen with your code. So just put 3 times tick and that's enough. And then put a show, wait 0.5 seconds, broadcast transition game on. Broadcast and wait transition game on. So it's a new message, transition game on. And then we need to show variable var, and then we need to show var score, and then show var time disk, and then we need a new block. It's called display time. So it means like to display the time. Hold on, don't press OK right now. So we have something else. This is run without screen refresh, check. Just to let you know. And then for the display time, we need to put, for display time, just put it there after, and then repeat until PINV equals die for full capital, like the win, but instead it's opposite. Or PINV equals win. Now the opposite brothers are here to fight. And now so we can continue. Now the only thing is we need to just put a tick in there. The tick block we just made before a second ago. Then we need to put a PINV equals win. So they're all capitalized. Not win, okay. So now we need to stop the script inside, and yeah, this if it's finished. Okay, if you can't follow along that fast, just pause the video. And then we need to broadcast another broadcast, and that is music die. No, it's called music die. So that means it's like it covers the die music. And then we need if time is less than 1, timeout. Okay, you see you don't have the block, so we need to make another one. So the timeout block, so we need to just write time out. And then we click OK. No run without screen refresh. Always remember this. This timeout is never going to be run without screen refresh. Then, if not R, if not key R pressed, if not key are pressed. Change. Then we need a start sound hurt. Then we need to go to x of px, x of minus, and on the left is px. Like I guess you can put variables. Okay. Px minus. I'm gonna just. Okay, I'm just gonna like this and px like this. Why do I need to waste time? Oh no. Go to x, y. So like that, and then and minus and px. On the right is scroll x. Scroll x. And then, yep, and then we need so this is it, but for the y, we need a +2. Like that. The y, we need a plus like that. 26. But it's not px minus scroll x, it's py minus scroll y. Plus 26. So now we need to repeat at. 18 times. Then we need to change tick by 1. And then now this is starting to get a block. It's a block that is so long. So now we need to switch costume first. We need a 28 plus. Like that. And then we need the abs. We need the abs of on the right. And then we need a minus 1. Like that, and then we need a mod. Like that. And on left of the mod is a floor slash. Now it's getting a bit confusing, but hold on. Tick 3 and the mod of 4 like that. So this is the code, and I'll come out and split that. Into parts like that, and then this is the floor of the tick. So you first need to put the the abs into the right of the 28 plus, and then you need to put the -1 and the mod like that, and the floor of tick on the left. So that's how you make this. Then we need to set PSY to 12. Set to 12. Done. And then since this is getting like a bit haywire, so now there's another hard script is coming too, but just hold on to your breath. Okay, but then we need to repeat until, and we need a grade less than minus py minus scroll y. Less than -203. And then we need to change tick by 1, of course. And then change PSY by 1. Change PY by PSY. So these two variables are very different, but they're all, so just be careful not to change PY by -1. And then change PS and see, I just did a mistake here. It's supposed to be PY. I said it correct, but I did it wrong. So now we need to go to X and then we need to put a, it's just px minus scroll x and py minus scroll, like it's just the same as go to x on the top. And then we need a switch costume. And I bet this is also the same thing on the top, so yep. So yeah, this everything the same on the top, so it's not really big problem. You have to code it again, but now we have coded 141 blocks in a few minutes. Okay, that's good. So after you finish that, we need to do, like, at the end of everything, we need to broadcast and wait. Transition dot is, we already made it, so do not make it again. And we need to hide variable score, hide var time disp. So we're finished this whole script. But now look on top, we showed the variable. On top we showed, now we need to hide it. So we finished another humongous script. And you can also look now, see? Look at the ears. Look at the ears and the head blocks. Okay. Now we finished 2 humongous scripts. We need to now make our other script.